Grainberry cereals provides the perfect balance of antioxidants and
members are quite happy with it.
Local lawn care company. Us. This is Terry with Weedman Lawn Care of Madison. Our turf management PhD trains our outstanding techs and buys only the best of products. We make your yard greener, thicker, more kid-friendly. Strive to be weed-free and do so with an environmentally sound approach to lawn care. Go to weedmanusa.com. Lawn care companies are not all alike. Go to weedmanusa.com today.
Let's talk about living the life you and your family deserves. Your kids deserve to benefit from the only 5-star school district in the county. Wanakee has all new and renovated schools and executive chefs serving healthy lunches and is...
This is a piece off of another grill that I salvaged a long time ago. It's not quite the same size. It's the smaller size that goes on the bottom rails and stuff, but it works perfect with these I don't even know what the heck you call them, connectors. Just jam them down inside, and then you can drill a hole through and mount it on each side. So I'm gonna have to cut this off and then put one of these in each side, drill a hole through, and run a bolt in on each side, and it'll be as good as new.
In the upper 30s, snow will end in the evening. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 7 inches for most, 3 to 5 inches in the north and far southwest. With your 27 Storm Track forecast, I'm meteorologist Brandon Bormans on 1310 WIBA.
Is brought to you by Positive Coaching Alliance. Got your 1310 WIBA. A couple of things to keep in mind as we talked with Tracy this morning. The website, TAntonInvestmentHouse.com. A fantastic website with a ton of great information about T. Anton Investment House. A really cool thing, too, from the website. You can schedule an appointment right at TAntonInvestmentHouse.com. Telephone number 608-501-1549. That's 608-501-1549. Without any
go.
Something to be talked about in a way, like you said, people like round numbers, but I also think it's like this is like the longest bull market I read, and so people are starting to think, okay, well, good things come, they come to an end.
So now all I have to do is drill a hole through each side, run a 7/16 inch bolt into each end, and that's it.
Don't think of the number and go, okay, it's over. You can go through the big, the good, and the bad.
Talking with certified financial planner Tracy Anton right here, straight talk from the house from T. Anton Investment House in 1310 WIBA. Different people that listen to the show weekend.
talking, and I said, one, the income in the sports world, what I want you to really look at. And in their case, they had about 35,000 of income in their portfolio, and they were taking out about 30. Your total market value, because the income says it all. Because you're not going to sell the whole portfolio when you retire. They're already retired, but you're not going to sell that. And that's what people.
So now all I have left to do
I'm going to retire, and therefore I'm going to need all
is match the hole for the firebox up to here, which is easy.
It's the same idea with the stock.
So basically I just
How do you create that?
take a punch and center it in the hole here.
President Trump says outside the White House. During last night's rush, after witnesses describe an out-of-control big rig that appeared to have lost its brakes.
And he probably going between 80 and 90 miles per hour. As soon as he hit the bridge, he comes to the bridge and automatically exploded.
The driver was okay. At least 2 people died. Several others hurt. Boeing says it has no idea when all 3 leaders fell in with other Daimler transporting them by train for use in recent summits with President Trump and yesterday in Eastern Russia with President Vladimir Putin. Daimler says it doesn't do any business with the North Korean government. This is Fox News. Live from the Good Health Cooperative News Center.
That's it. Frame repaired. Of course I gotta tighten it up, but here you are.